Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro offline in app. So as you guys can see, I got the robot with me. It is turned on, but it is offline in the app. So what we should do in this situation is we should go over and simply reset it right here. So let me show you. We're gonna go over here to the device. We're gonna press on three dots and swipe down. We're gonna click on delete device right now, click on OK, and now it is processing. Now the device should disappear, and what we need to do now is we need to grab our device. So let me quickly grab it, and here, as you guys can see, we got those two buttons that are very important. We want to make sure that we click them on for 7 seconds simultaneously until we hear a voice confirmation from the robot that it is resetting and is going into the
resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
And now it entered the network configuration mode. So now we can put it back in, and now we can put in the app. Now as you guys can see, we got the app right here, and we are either waiting for it to show up or simply click on it right here because it is accessible. We need to enter the network, and as you guys can see, it is uploading the information to the device. It's connecting to it through the network, and it should definitely be fixed. So we should see the online status restored. We would be able to do everything with the device back again, and as you guys can see, it is loading up.
Connected successfully.
Now it is connected successfully. Of course, we're choosing the rooms now and the names of the device, and as you guys can see, we got it right here. Now let's agree, let's skip it, and it is connected, and we got a living room and standby. So it is definitely working now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.